Does application.yml support environment variables in Spring Boot? Introduction. In Spring Boot, configuration is commonly defined using application.properties, application.yml. Often, you want to use environment variables instead of hard-coding values. For example, database credentials, API keys, external service URLs, secrets for production. Spring Boot fully supports using environment variables inside application.yml. This is very important for cloud deployments, Docker containers, CI/CD pipelines, multi-environment setups. What does environment variables in application.yml mean? It means you can reference values from the system environment inside your YAML configuration. In simple terms, environment variable means injected into Spring Boot config. Example concept. env variable means application.yml means Spring property, basic syntax. Spring Boot uses this syntax. Property, env variable, example server port, $port. Example concept. port 8081 means server port becomes 8081 with default value. You can provide a fallback value. Syntax property, env variable, default value. Example server, port, 8080. Example concept. If port exists means use it, else means use 8080. Real-world example Spring data source URL, db URL, username db user, password db password. Example concept. env variables means injected into data source config. Setting environment variables on Mac Linux, export db URL equals jdbc.mysql, localhost 3306, mydb. Export db user root, export db password, secret. On Windows CMD, set db URL equals jdbc mysql, localhost 3306, $db URL equals jdbc.mysql, localhost 3306, mydb. Spring Boot resolve values. Spring Boot follows this order. Command line arguments, environment variables, application.yml/properties. Example concept. Multiple sources means Spring resolves highest priority using nested properties. You can use environment variables anywhere in YAML. Example app, API URL, $API URL, https:/default.com. Using environment variables in lists. App, servers, $server1 localhost, $server2 127.0.0.1. Environment variables are widely used with Docker. Example, docker run -e db.url equals jdbc mysql docdb 3306 app my app. Example concept. Docker env means Spring Boot config, means runtime values, using in Kubernetes env, name, db URL, value, jdbc, mysql, db. Example concept. Kubernetes env means Spring config, using application.yml profiles. You can combine with profiles. Example Spring profiles, active Spring profile dev. Example concept. N variable decides active profile, relaxed binding feature. Spring Boot supports flexible naming. Environment variable. db URL can map to spring.datasource.url. Example concept. NV naming means mapped automatically by Spring. Common mistakes: 1. Missing environment variable server, port, 00 port. If port is not set, means application fails. Fix. $port 8080. 2. Wrong variable name db URL, but actual env db URL. Case matters. 3. Forgetting $. Wrong. Port. Correct. Port 4. Quoting issues. Sometimes needed. URL. db URL. Best practices. Best practices include: always provide default values, never hardcode secrets, use environment variables for sensitive data, follow naming conventions uppercase, use profiles for different environments. Example concept. External config means safer and flexible apps. Advantages. Advantages include secure configuration environment, flexibility, easy deployment, no code changes needed, works well with cloud and containers. Challenges include debugging, missing variables, naming mismatches, environment setup complexity, YAML formatting issues. Concepts learned. By learning this topic, you understand capital how to use environment variables in YAML. Capital how to use environment variables in YAML. Capital how Spring resolves properties. Capital how to configure apps for different environments. Simple definition. Environment variables in application.yml. A way to inject external configuration values into Spring Boot using $variable name syntax. Final summary. Yes, application.yml fully supports environment variables in Spring Boot. You can use $default to dynamically configure your application. This allows you to avoid hard-coding values, manage configurations across environments, securely handle sensitive data. Using environment variables is a best practice for modern Spring Boot applications, especially in cloud and containerized deployments.